Guys, today I am completely snowed in. There is no way any of my cars are getting out of here. My girlfriend's car has a nice sheet of ice on it. All my cars do. You can hear that off in the distance, but that is not a quad. That is not, oh, that is a quad. But there's Jacob. Okay. Jake and I are about to go hit some small skids. Oof. In the Kei Truck. Yeah. It's like perfect for shooting through the window.
Of course it is.
It's so snowy out. It's awesome. It's gonna go away in a second. Main roads are actually pretty clear, which is nice. So we can travel to some good spots, huh?
Yeah. Should we go to the elementary school I went to?
Try and do a donut ski in this thing.
We'll find out.
Oh, there's like cleared it out a little bit. Got that. There, stop and let me get out and stand in the middle. The brakes just like stopping like that. Oh, there's little kids over there. Ooh. It's just understeering. There you go. Press the four-wheel drive button.
Pull it up or press it down?
Press the button. There's a button, the white one. The white button. You see the white button? Yeah. That's third gear right there. Third? Yeah, I was just like, light kick.
What are temps at?
Middle?
Cool. She loves it.
Okay. Here, let me get back in. You want to try? This is my car.
Yeah, it is.
I know, I wanted to do a little bit. That was fun though. This is like a good way of getting back into it after not drifting for so long.
Yeah, right.
I love the lights are on. I didn't even notice that. I guess we're not really drifting because it's only doing like donuts, but still fun. How was that?
It was fun.
What did the temps at? Dude,
Fine.
you're perfect. Yeah. Later, dudes.
Bye. You should go ask them how it was.
Roll up them windows a little bit. Woo!
Wonderland.
Jake's just singing along.
Wonderland.
We got the party lights on. We are searching for a spot because everywhere is like closed off. And we're trying to make sure that we're doing this like not in a sketchy manner, like around neighborhoods and stuff. We're trying to go find like a parking lot. And this Kei Truck also can't like go up like crazy big hills.
Oh, shoot.
Woo!
More bumps.
And bumps. It's pretty bumpy out here too. But Oh. How much better is this spot than the other one?
What?
How much better is this spot than the other one?
I mean, it's all right.
This one's got
It's really
like
bumpy.
changes. Did you see that guy? He like hit the curb when we first came up. But here, try and do figure eights. This and that one. Can you do that?
Gonna be difficult. I can try though.
The gas pedal is your friend. Remember that. Oh, he's gonna go do something. We got homie is a Jeep.
Yeah, I'm gonna...
Dude, that thing sounds like he's like barely touching it. Sounds like it's got some guts in it though.
Oh, it's a 4-liter.
Got it. You put it in 2-wheel? Sick burnout, Jake! He's gonna hit me right now, probably, huh? Oh shit, he's coming in for me. Here, what gear are you in? What?
I was in first, let me try it in second.
I would do third almost, man. Alright, try to do the figure eight, baby. You got this. Oh. Maybe not so much. Oh, get off the brake. I think he just punch kicked it. I don't want to bang around too much in your car and beat it up. And I'm kind of sucking right now.
That's kind of responsible.
Of me?
Yeah.
I know.
Shocker, but yeah.
I'm going to try 2-wheel.
Okay.
Just press that. Alright.
He put it back in 4 because he wasn't going anywhere, and I think it's really funny. So, oh, he's trying to again. And he's still not going anywhere. 2-wheel drive is useless in this truck. It's funny because I'm just like casually walking and he's just going so slow.
What's that?
Oh, I was just explaining how I was just casually walking and you were just going like half a mile an hour.
I was in like third and second, and I was like, wow. Little bit. It's kind of like all-wheel drive kind of sucks because of the fact that it like doesn't. The wheels don't look like you're turning the other way. So you're
Yeah.
You want to try more?
A little bit, yeah.
All right.
We're just exactly messing around.
Oh, dude. So it's fun, but it's kind of annoying because in like all-wheel drive, it doesn't really feel very drifty. So let's let him get at it. Let's see. I saw him almost fall away. I see bad things happening here. Maybe not. You killed it? How'd you kill it?
I left it in gear.
Let me get.
Are you really gonna do this right now?
Yeah, just don't go too crazy.
What?
I said, yeah, just don't go too crazy. All right, we're in the back. This is kind of dumb. This is the driver's perspective. Ooh. Ooh.
Ah!
This feels so sketchy. It looks cool though. The shot looks sick.
We just gripped up right there.
What?
I said we just gripped up right there.
All right, here, let me get in. Oh, jeez.
You gonna hop in the car?
Yeah, we can go now.
Well, it's all warmed up.
Yeah, it's nice and toasty in here. I just got some sick driver's perspective. Better? No.
I should probably go in second.
Oh.
Yeah, that's just great at this point.
Alright. Let's get out of here. Alright. Turn the lights off. Watch this long. Congratulations for watching us fool around in this Kei truck. We're gonna close the video out here, right here, but we have one announcement. We are actually gonna start collaborating with S Chassis. So all of our videos are gonna be going up on S Chassis. So you'll see the logo now in our videos. And we also have our sweatshirts coming up for sale. We just got a bunch of them in. We're gonna make them tonight.
There's limited stock though.
Yeah, there's definitely a limited stock, but if you hit us up on Facebook or Instagram, we can send them out to you. We'll have to do all the transactions through PayPal, but we'll be able to send them. So we have t-shirts, we have our Shichoku sweatshirts, we have our lanyards, and what else do we have? And stickers.
And stickers. Yeah.
So those are all available through messages on Facebook or Instagram. But we also will...
Shipping times will vary just because of the weather right now, but we'll get them out to you.
All right, so thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.